Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up YouTube Kids parental controls with a full tutorial, follow these step-by-step instructions to protect your children. Step 1. Download the YouTube Kids app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already installed it on your device. Step 2. Open the YouTube Kids app and tap I'm a Parent to begin the setup process for parental controls. Step 3. Enter your birth year to verify that you are an adult, as required by YouTube Kids for account setup. Step 4. Choose whether to sign in with your Google account or continue without signing in, though signing in allows for better control across devices. Step 5. Create a profile for your child by entering their name, age, and selecting an avatar that they will enjoy. Step 6. Select a content level appropriate for your child's age, including preschool, younger, or older kids, which determines what videos they can access. Step 7. Review and customize additional settings such as search functionality, background music, and timer limits to manage screen time. Step 8. Set up a parental lock by creating a custom passcode or completing a multiplication problem to prevent your child from changing settings. Test the app by browsing content to ensure it meets your expectations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.